Now, welcome to day 10 to learn how to do realistic drawing with logo art. Now, this realistic hair actually caught my attention on the internet, and I would like to elaborate it. I would like to talk about it. I would like to discuss and bring out the secret behind it. How this artist was able to bring out this realistic drawing. I would like to show you the secrets now in a second. Now, the first thing he did, which I always talk about, is to build layers. You need to build your layers very well anytime you are doing an artwork. The same thing to apply to the hair. Okay, and this time around, when this artist was building the layers, he paid attention to certain things. Okay, you know, when light reflects on object, okay, it creates depth. Okay, some portions will be dark and some portions will be light. Okay, so when he was building the layers, you can see it on the drawing. So when he was building the layers, he was applying that method. Okay, so even though he was building everything smooth, he was making sure some places are dark than others. Okay, he was just basically following the reference. Okay, look at your hair, where it's dark, you make it more dark. So he followed that and he built his layers gradually, nicely, okay, and solid. Do you understand? So the next thing he did is to use his charcoal. That's when he plays the magic. This is where the magic is. He used his pencil, charcoal pencil, soft charcoal pencil, okay, to create the scribble line like you can see he's doing. He did it. You know, when you are doing art, you need to be patient. He did it gradually. Okay, he took his time to do those lines, and he did it very well. Do you understand? So after using the charcoal pencil to do the scribble lines, the next thing he did is to use his Tombow eraser, which is holding, to bring out the highlight. Okay, and when we are shading, you see, when he did the scribble lines, there are some portion, there are some spaces between them. Do you understand? He used it to shade the side of the side that were no he didn't use the charcoal. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Yes, those are the highlights you can see. So simple. That's how he did it. When he finished, he just used his hard brush to blend it a bit, then it became like this. Do you understand? So this is the simple way to achieve this. So if you like this video, just type draw in the comment section and I'll be bringing you this every single day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more tips and that. Thank you. Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now this course is available on our website logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will enroll you in this course. Now this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.